Continuous coverage on Arnab Chatgate reveals conversations regarding the PMO. In this part 6 of a massive disclosure, in these explosive chats, former BARC boss Partho Dasgupta asks Arnab that has there been any progress on PMO, to which Arnab responds in the affirmative. Goswami, in his following conversation, also claims PMO is being dealt with differently, and these chats have been highlighted by the opposition leaders as well. Let me take that across to our National Affairs editor, Srinjoy Chaudhary, on the broadcast with more details. You know, any right-thinking individual after going through these chats will ask some obvious questions. The opposition won't let go of this opportunity. The opposition will demand an explanation as to how was the PMO being dealt differently. What is this reference?
The important thing is Arnab Goswami appears to have bragging. He to impress the BARC chief, Mr. Dasgupta. His way of saying all this is, look, I know everything. I know the PMO, what's happening in the government. I am really I am the best fly on the wall. I am part of. So this is a way of impressing the who, of course, is in your favor and ensure that all the fake numbers are put on your plate, which basically means Goswami is impressing the BARC chief, and the BARC chief is so impressed by how close Mr. Goswami is to the powers that be, to the PMO, to the I&B ministry, to everybody else, that he is cooking the books to help Mr. Goswami be the number one when he isn't. Now, this is a huge problem for simply people. One, the people of India are being conned. They think that Republic is number one. It isn't. The books are being cooked just to ensure that it is shown as number one. That's really the first. Secondly, the people who are being conned are the advertisers. Here are people who are putting money on Republic TV channel, thinking that this channel goes to the maximum number of people. Now we find that it isn't. And it's done.
Unfortunately, it's a bad network. We're not able to hear you. We're losing that line, in fact. Stay on with us. We also have Aditi on the broadcast, a special correspondent joining us. Even if Arnab Goswami was, really using these names to impress Partho Dasgupta, he has taken some big names. There are some references that demand a lot of, explanation there. And the fact that he says PMO will be dealt differently, is being dealt with differently, does, give opposition a point to raise these questions.
Absolutely. In fact, the Congress party just now, Swati has also said that there will be a big press conference that the Congress party will be doing, leaking out, exposing all the chats that were exchanged between Arnab Goswami and Partho. In fact, many references that have been made in the chat, not only regarding the PMO, not only about the name dropping, but also about the favors that he's willing to give out to Partho. If you just look at the chats and the number of ways in which he has extended help to Partho, whether it is regarding any involvement in the I&B ministry, or whether Partho requesting for a certain position in the Prime Minister's office, or regarding certain, invitations that he wanted to send out to certain ministers. For everything, Arnab Goswami has always responded in affirmative, also giving out the strong indication to Partho that somewhere he has his heels dug into the high and the mighty of the government. Now, many of these chats also reveal how Arnab really has been commanding as far as newsroom is concerned. One of the chat messages also show where he's tom-tomming about how the newsroom is full of energy, and that comes in the backdrop of his particular meeting that he said that he had in Delhi. Now, there are a lot of questions that can be raised, that are going to be raised. Earlier, we also reported, Swati, that the opposition parties are already demanding a JPC probe in this entire incident, in the entire chat case. They want the government to come out and answer, first of all, whether or not there whatever government ministries, whether it is the INB, whether it is the PMO, that were actually involved in having a conversation with Arnab, in having, leaked out certain information for newsworthy information to Arnab, or whether Arnab was only tom-tomming, trying to, portray himself as a rather influential man in front of Partho. So a lot of questions are being raised, are going to be asked, but this is one, issue, Swati, on which the opposition, and they have all the reasons to jump into the bandwagon to attack and question not only Arnab, but also the government of India. The name droppings without vis-a-vis certain ministers, AS, the kind of abbreviations that he has been using to show how influential
Aditi, stay on with us. We also have guests joining us on the broadcast. Maruf,